Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's lovely to have you here once again. If you have been following me on this channel, you know that I use edible wafer paper a lot. Yeah, and I really love to use the thick ones, and I've experienced a lot of issues with working with wafer paper, so I decided to share with you the best way that I've found for conditioning wafer paper to make it easy to work with and to prevent rips as much as possible. The tools and the ingredients you're going to need for this process include vodka, glycerin, corn flour, a large paintbrush or sponge, a fluffy brush, edible wafer paper, and edible gel color if you're going to color your paper. The conditioning liquid is based on 2 parts vodka and 1 part glycerin. So here I'm measuring 4 tablespoons of vodka and putting it into a glass jar. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Now I'm going to stir everything and shake it up to make sure that it's all properly mixed. Here I've got a sheet of wafer paper that I intend using for my next cake, and I've painted a pattern on it with an edible printer. But if you intend painting your wafer paper with a particular color, you can mix in the edible gel color at this point into your conditioning mixture. I'll start by flipping my wafer paper to the unprinted side. Then I'll mix my conditioning mixture and use the flat brush to paint it all over the paper. Next, using my fluffy brush, I'll dab on corn flour generously all over the paper to remove the wetness. Now I'm going to flip the wafer paper over to the printed side and repeat the same process.
Don't you think we're done?
And there you have it. The wafer paper is now soft and ready to use. As you can see, I'm able to fold it without the usual rips or cracks.
Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Knew that it was true from the way you looked at me. Don't know what to do, what to say to make you leave.
You can also see how flexible it is. If you can guess what I'll be making with this for my next cake, Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't you think we're done?